Hey guys, today is Tuesday, April something or other. It's the week of the Handbuilt Show. Dates go out the window. I'm flying a drone and recording myself because Corona fell into a hole. He's too close to my drone. Anyway, I figured I'd give you a proper drone tour because some people were asking for this. We're gonna go walk through the space and watch. Everybody's setting up right now. Let's go check this out. You'll see here that Cletus is being hard, put to work really hard right there. That's Cletus. Oh look. There's a Auerbach. He's currently pissed off because the Toyota's in his way. Anyway, boring. Let's go this way. Hey look, it's that's Ty. He's sick of us, I'm sure of it. Where you going, Ty? Hey, Ty. He does not want to talk to the camera. This will be the entrance to the show. You can see everybody's in there working away right now. Oh man, it feels good in here. You can see over there Chris Davis and Stefan. We'll do like a little turnaround here. So, I'm a terrible drone pilot. Over there's the BMW area. You can see the supporter area there. Over there will be Yamaha. Oh look, there's some guys putting up lights. They're so high up, I'm not even sure I can, no, they're so high, you can't even see. They're all the way up on that scissor lift. See way up there? It's pretty badass. It's drifting for some reason. All right, you can see my bald head. Over, let's give you more tour here. Over there is the Moto Guzzi and the Revit area. You can see more scissor lifts. We put all these lights up ourselves. And then over here you'll see the Troll. Troll!
What's up?
We need some help.
What do you need help with?
I need you to help me.
I know how to push a broom.
Explain what this jacket is.
That looks like a motorcycle jacket.
No, it's the Tech Air.
Oh yeah, that's the new prototype Tech Air.
Right, it says Revival right here. Everyone can see.
Yeah, and it's got this fancy little thing here.
Tell everybody what Tech Air is.
So this jacket is super cool because it can save your ass in a crash. It's got super awesome fancy technology built into it and an airbag, and it knows you're gonna crash before you know you're gonna crash. So there's actually a bunch of different inertial sensors and motion sensors that are in there, more than any of the other products on the market. And if you think about the difficulty of predicting a crash, it's really difficult. And you wouldn't want to have to be tethered to the bike because that's just inconvenient. And so it has to be self-contained and has to be self-powered and all that sort of stuff. The real magic of what they've done is in the software to predict the crash and to analyze that data. And that's, I think, what took them the majority of the time in their development, because it's still no small feat to get an airbag to deploy 100% all the time.
Without a doubt. And to do it in a jacket and mobile and battery powered. So I'm wearing this as a plug because this is a development we've been working on with Alpinestars to do a collaboration. This is the prototype. We just ordered a bunch of jackets and we're going to be pre-selling them at the Handbuilt Show. It's perforated.
Yeah.
It's a perforated leather. It
This
feels
is
like a
my
normal
favorite.
jacket. Yeah, there you go. You can see some of the
Yeah, that
detail.
stuff is super cool.
Alpinestars and Revival. It's going to be really cool. It feels like a normal, it actually feels
Yeah.
lighter than my other motorcycle jacket.
It's kind of hard to believe that they can have that much functionality and technology built into something that you barely even notice. So in your day-to-day, you wouldn't know you have an airbag on. The only time you know it happens is when you need it.
This is mine. You cannot have this one, but you can buy your own. We're going to make one for Stefan because I'm fat. You can't wear this one. This one's too big for you. Just saying. Anyway, today's Tuesday. Get your tickets. Get your supporter badges. They're gonna sell out. Like, follow, subscribe. Thanks for watching. There's a whole lot more work to be done, and I'm screwing off with the camera, so we gotta go. Thanks.
I'm gonna get back to sweeping.
Yeah, get back to sweeping. Yeah.